Tom Watts with Haydocy Airstream RV in Columbus, Ohio. We're inside a nuCamp Tab, the 320 model. One of the common questions that we get is, how do you remove the table or manipulate the table around? I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All you do is you reach over with your hands and press the button down, moving the lever. After you've moved the lever, you have access to move the table in any direction you want, to get it either in front of you or out of the way. Another question that people commonly have is, how do you remove the table if I'm going to make the bed? You simply put your hands down here and push in the button, and once again release the table. What I was doing was I was pressing the button and moving my hand up and the lever up to tighten, and pressing the button again and moving my lever down to loosen it. Okay, now we're going to make the bed. You just grab this lever here, pull it. Whoops, first I got to remove the cushions. I'm sorry. Move the cushions. Pull this tab forward, and it goes all the way back. And then there are slats right in here that we will put right over here to fill in with the cushions. Then you have a 78 by 78 bed right here in this tab. This is the nuCamp Tab at Haydocy Airstream RV in Columbus, Ohio. Hey, if you're not sure if you're ready to buy right now, come on in and see one of our road adventure specialists. Take one of these units, rent it for $135 a night, and if you don't have something to pull it with, visit us at Haydocy Buick GMC in Columbus, Ohio, 614-279-8880.